In fact, as soon as news reached the state government, uh, I'll just share this information with you. Paul, very good afternoon. This is Bahwar. Highly appreciate your good gesture to send transport facilities to pick up students stranded in Sikkim. Many thanks for your concern for the welfare of the students of our state. Definitely, I'll come and meet you next Monday. So, this is.
How many students, means till now you got the call, how many students are stranded?
I'm yet to have the figures with me, but as we speak, these students are being picked up, and they, based on the advisory that they should leave the state immediately, we have taken it very seriously, and we hope that within the next 2 to 3 days, the entire operation will be completed. By road.
Okay, and by when this batch of people, citizen will start coming?
Well, depending on the weather conditions, also the road conditions. I mean, it's difficult for me sitting here because, as you understand, the weather conditions are pretty bad. So there might be delays, but arrangements have been made, and the local police, the state police, are in constant touch, and we hope to have them here within the next 2 to 3 days.